Hey, what's up guys? It's Team SaltLife, Captain Albert Sartuche, and today is Monday, and got packages coming in, we got phone going off, got customers coming in. Yes, I'm trying to keep up and trying to keep the videos going, but at the same time it's hard to bounce back and forth between turning on the gimbal, the phone, and then getting it going. But I got a few minutes, so I got a couple of packets I want to open up. First one I'd like to start with is the one I actually got from Salt Strong. It's actually one of the
Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I gotta line. I'ma call the whole team.
Pages that I'm subscribed to that I actually watch on YouTube, and like I said, you know, with a lot of the information he puts out there, I like it. You know what I mean? So he goes out, he fishes, and you know, just a little shout out to Salt Strong. But I saw one of the lure situations that they had that they were trying out, and it was actually the next video they went and they were actually adding color to the lures itself. So I don't know, I like that. I like being able to do that. But like I said, this is one of the deals that I wanted to check out their lures over here, because there's a lot of bait fishing, and right now with the pandemic going on and, you know, doing some social distancing, I figure I can go to the bays and go try out some lures. So for me, it was trying something new. And also too, when I did make my purchase with it, we got a few extra little gifts. So we've got a little split ring plier and scissor configuration here, which is pretty cool. I like that. And look at that, still got his name on there too. And then we got the paddle tails right there that he was using in one of his last videos. Got some stickers too. Yep, I have to add them to the truck here pretty quick. And yep, the Slam Shady lures. Oh, nice. Oh, sorry. But yep. So we got a few packages of lures that we definitely want to go check out, try out, and just wanted to give a shout out real quick. Like I said, you know, it's always pretty cool to see these other YouTube channels that take notice to everybody that's actually on there, and they, you know, they get back on and throw some comments out and stuff like that. But at the same time too, you can't really expect them to reply to the 100,000 comments they get or whatever they get, you know. But like me, you know, I'm still small in comparison to what a lot of these other channels are in their subscriber base, but it doesn't stop me right now from commenting to as many of the comments I can. So like I said, I'll keep doing that as long as I'm able to keep doing that and keep up with everybody on doing that. And also too, want to give y'all a shout out and thank you, because, oh, quick heads up, sorry. I'm gonna do a few things on this video just because I got so much going on. I did post up about the raffle, and I've got quite a bit of tickets sold. We actually went from, on the $30 ticket, we were stuck at like 33, and we're up to 42 tickets sold. So that means we only got like 37 more tickets to go before we're done with this one. And the $20 ticket one, we were stuck at like 23, 24 the other day, and we're already up to 34 tickets sold. So we're about halfway there on both, if not a little more. So a few more days on these tickets, and then we'll be holding the drawing. If we can't make or allow everybody to come in, we're still gonna do a live video, and that way y'all can see the tickets get drawn for the drawing, or drawings. As soon as I can get them both done, I'd like to have it done by Friday. So again, $20 and $30. The link's in the video, and good luck to all. So stay tuned. I gotta go try some gear.